If you got a 12 volt fan or even a 3-volt fan with a 12 volt, 5 volt adapter, and you want to have a battery from the company known as Balanenergy with 100 amp hour for endless running time off of a solar grid, this is something that you may be looking for in setting up for those summer needs or just having a motor tiller running anything possible off of a 12 volt battery. We're going to show you what this product is about. Balanenergy is a 100 amp hour battery with over 1500 cycles and a BMS circuitry protection, extreme heat and cold. What can we use it for? Well, we have a light that is on. We have lights above as solar off the grid LEDs and a timer set up on a battery system. We could put it to a solar panel like so, a portable panel, go out and camping, RVing, off the grid work. Set up lights, tools, and more with inverters and solar controllers as options as you see here on the table. And what we're going to do is open up the package and show you how nicely things are boxed. LiFePO4 batteries, they're sealed, they're protected. They got coverings on the batteries as you see, removing the film, and we're grabbing the battery, which is upside down in the box, and opening up. You have a handle, 2 handles to be exact. And the battery's not lightweight, but the handle will hold it. There are 2 handles to the unit. You can grab and go. It has a negative terminal and a positive terminal that you hook up your leads to. For LED lightings and things that are a little bit more heavier, you have wiring. We're going to place the handles out. We're going to unscrew the terminal bolts that comes with washers, lock washer and washer, and we simply connect our leads. We have a battery at 13.1 volts, 0 amps, fully charged with the LiFePO4 setting. We have an opposite end that we're going to hook up to a solar panel, and then we're going to hook up our leads to an inverter and run different types of tools. We simply can run it as is, motors and more, by hooking up to the lead. We have our power inverter all ready to go, and we're going to turn it on with the green light. We have an RC battery power supply that we can simply hook up, plug in, and ready to charge our batteries. These are examples of what you could use the unit for. 12 volt, 20 amp battery chargers to recharge your unit if a solar portable panel or panels are not necessary. We have many options to running power. We have the solar panel, recharging our unit, and that is how we run off the grid with optional panels to the battery and reuse for lighting, tools, appliances with inverters, and more. What we're going to do is show you the LED lighting. We have patio lights in the front, ran off of a timer, set up to the battery. With an adjustable wrench or a pair of sockets, we have our unit hooked up to a panel and timer over here to turn on our patio lights. And we'll show you in the above, located back over here with the power hooked up to the lights above with the battery running the unit for hours on end. These are just some examples. One other example is hooking up to a plant light. We have our plant light hooked up to a 12 volt to 5 volt unit that turns the lights on for 12 hours, and we have the battery here hooked up to the solar controller for hours on end of use for daytime and nighttime. We also have a fan hooked up in a different area as well. These are just some of the things you can do with your 100 amp hour battery with low voltage cutoff protection, BMS, with 1500 plus cycles with a 100 amp hour battery, a LiFePO4 rechargeable. Enjoy your product if you're looking for something like this to run off-grid motors, RVs, camping, take it out with you into an area that you need to have lighting, run off of a solar grid and more. These are excellent batteries. These are batteries for your solar needs. Enjoy the product if this is right for you.